Next topic is moving around the documents. Okay, so moving around the document is nothing but, see here in the document how can you work. Okay, see here one character to the left for using left arrow, so one character to the right for using right arrow, so one word to the left, control plus left arrow, one word to the right, control plus right arrow, up one line, up arrow, down one line, down arrow, to the end of the line, end key, to the beginning of the line, home key. So up one paragraph plus control plus up arrow, down one paragraph press control plus down arrow. Okay, now see scrolling the document. Okay, for scrolling the document we use up and down movements, so left and right movements. Okay, see here this is the scrolling document. Okay, see here this is left and right. Okay, so again here you see this is the up and down. See here to change down. Okay, listen here also that one is moving. Okay, so this is the scrolling the document, this one is scrolling the document. And then formatting a document. So how can you format your document? Okay, see here for the formatting document, type characters, see already I did in first page. Okay, that I have to take on. So this one is new one. Okay, type the character. So first you have to select the text tool and place here. Okay, welcome to school. Okay, this is your type text. You choose arrow. Okay, sorry, for the text you select text tool and select the content text. Okay, and then go to type, choose character. You get the dialog box in the page number 41. Okay, you have to change the font style, whatever you have to change your font style. So anything you have to change your font style, size. So again colors. Okay, and then click here bold, italic, okay, choose bold, italic. Okay, we are changing the color, size, font name. Okay, in option you see these and all pixel positions. Okay, now you click OK button. Your text will be changed and color will be blue, content is bold and italic style. Okay, that will be changed. This is the character formatting using character specification. Okay, so next one, and also you this one is color palette, font size, color, everything we have to do in this one. Okay, next one, window show color palette, see this one is a color palette. Now I close this one. Okay, so going to Windows, this one is Windows, I choose show color. See here this one is show color. Now see here the window is opened. Okay, So in this you have to change the color. For example, if you select the text and choose any, I choose red color. Okay, see here, now red color is changed. Okay, if you want to type any other text, see here, select the text you want to color. So see, this will come for multiple lines. If I want to change into single line, you just drag this one. Okay, this will come to a single line. So if I want to give a color for this, you have to select, choose text control, and then select the text, and then you have to give the color. So okay, see here, the color is changed. So next one, draw a line. Next heading is draw a line. Okay, now see, press select a tool, line. Okay, and then see here, I put line. If I want to change the line design, you have to press double click on the line tool. See here, you get the dialog box. You have to change whatever design, you have to select it. If you want to double line or thick line, thin line or dotted line, whatever maybe you have to select here. Okay, for that line thickness, that is 5, 10, 15, 12, any number you have to type here. Okay, so I type 5. Okay, now you are going to draw a line. Okay, see here, dotted lines. Okay, if you want to choose any other rectangular, circle, anything, you just select this and draw. Same line style will be applied for all the symbols. Okay, if you want, so next one, if I want to put the circle I will be polygon, this polygon also same like that. So next one, now you press the rectangle, double click, so you get the designs. Your rectangular will be normal rectangle. Okay, these three, light bended or more bended. Okay, so whatever you want, you just choose. Already I select the round corner. Okay, now I select the first one, your rectangular box. Okay, now you draw it. See here, rectangular is comes. Okay, so next one, polygon. So already I draw the polygon. You go to choose normal line. No, now I select the polygon and put it here. Okay, if I want to change this line style, again you have to press line style, double click, you get this dialog box and go to change your line style. Okay, click OK. Now you draw the line, double line. Okay, so if you choose this one, see, double line. Okay, so now move to element polygon. See here, element, in that polygon settings, this one, polygon settings. Okay, see here, dialog box. You just improve this one. Okay, you move the scroll. First one, this will be a triangle. If you change this one, polygon, again circle, again if you change this, same circle will be there. Okay, again you come and change the star in. See here, difference, you know it, know the difference. See, everything should be here changed. You just move this, again Okay, like that they are changing. So whatever, if you are giving that, click OK button. See here, the polygon is changed. Okay, now you extend this one. Okay, design will become, this is your polygon. Next one, filling shape with colors and patterns. Filling shapes with colors and patterns. So this one is you just select this one and choose arrow. Okay, you choose any color. Okay, if you choose red color, see here, red color is come. So next thing, working with the specific page document. Next one, create the extra documents. Okay, create a page documents, new pages. Okay, see here, layout, go to page. Okay, see here, in layout, go to page, first one. See here, they are asking the page. Click OK. So now this is the document page. If you want to insert an additional page, again you go to layout and then insert a pages. Insert a page. So how many pages if you want, you have to type here. I type 2. So after you click insert. Now you inserted 2 pages. Okay. So next, if you need after, see here, after the current page or before the current page, that you have to choose here also. Now see here, 2, 3, already I insert 1 page. Okay, so 3 and 4, insert 2 pages. If I want to in here, if you want to remove this page, you choose layout, remove. Here layout and then remove pages. How many pages you want to remove? You just put 1 page. How many you want, that you have to type. I want only 1 page is removed. So click remove all the page and their contents. Okay. So last page is removed. Okay. The document whatever you did, that everything should be deleted. So no need anything. Okay. So next one, see master page icon. This R is a master page. See here, R is a master page icon. 1, 2, 4 and all pages, page icon. Okay. Next one, show the master pages. Okay, go to Windows, show master page, hide master page. Windows la show master page. If I click this one, see here, this one is our master page. If you want to insert a new page, you just click this symbol. Okay, that will create a new page. You have to type the page name. So page 1 and then click OK. So see here, already I create page 2. Now I create a page 1. Okay, see here, page 1 is displayed. Okay, this is for create a new page. So next, final, see here, printed document. For this, select file print or Ctrl+P. Okay, then your print dialog box will open. In that you have to give the print option. Okay, for example, if you choose a print option, type the copies you want to it. Okay, so இப்போ டாக்குமெண்ட்டில் வந்து whether you choose collate pages means if you are giving a 5 pages print, 4 copies. Okay, each and every page comes for 4 copies. So collate will how to print means first page 4 copies, second page 4 copies, like that it will complete the up to 5 pages. Okay, so first collate option is selected. Collate option is not selected. First page 4 copies, second page 4 copies, like that it will take print. If you choose collate option, completely your first 5 pages will print for printed for first set, and then second set 1 to 5 pages, and then third set 1 to 5 pages, that like that all pages printed at same time for 1 copy. Again it will print for all pages for second copy. Okay, like that it will print. Okay, so after printing, if you are print, okay, this is your second chapter completed. Tomorrow we see about the third chapter. I will send you for your book back question answers also. Okay, thank you.